Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom, starting a new week of what I cooked for dinner. So tonight I made some roasted sausages. These are from the Fresh Market. I grabbed them on sale. Some of the Trader Joe's Arcover green beans with a little Italian seasoning and some butter. I made some roasted sweet potatoes with brown sugar, cinnamon, and butter. And then I actually had some leftover peppers and onions from dinner last night. So I just put those with my sausage because anytime I have like a little extra veggie left, I try and save it and use it for something else, whether it's to mix in an omelet or for a little side like this. So Matt has a little bit more green beans since I have the peppers and onions. And we're both having the same thing. It looks really good. We're going to dig in. If you're new to my channel, I have an entire playlist of these videos, which I'll link in the description box down below. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
So this night for dinner was my son's actual 7th birthday, and we had a family party with immediate family and just a couple close friends. We did it sort of appetizer style, so we had everything from beef short ribs to antipasta, cheese and crackers with shrimp cocktail. We had spanakopita's, homemade meatballs. There was a ton of stuff. There were actually a few things that I forgot to get video of. There was homemade queso, homemade buffalo chicken dip, and a few different baked goods, but regardless, it was all absolutely delicious.
Hey guys, for dinner tonight we're having a pasta bake. I did with the corkscrew pasta, some leftover chicken that from the previous night that I just chopped up, some boneless, skinless chicken thighs and chicken breast, and then I tossed the pasta with cheese and sun-dried tomatoes. There was roasted red peppers in there, some garlic, onion, cheddar cheese, of course, the chicken, and then for like the sauce, if you will, I actually used cream of chicken soup and some milk and tossed it together with some Italian seasoning mix, and it actually came out really good. So this is what we're having tonight, and then I made just some little side cold little cucumber and tomatoes with some balsamic glaze from Trader Joe's on there, and we're going to try and see if Grady will eat it. I took out all the like chunks of veggies and chicken, and we'll see if we'll have some of the pasta. But yeah, this is dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight I did some roasted potatoes with the skin on. I just tossed them in a little EVOO, and then I used the Trader Joe's 21 seasoning salute, salt and pepper, and then I did some little mini meatloaves. They're kind of like jumbo meatballs, and I do mine with barbecue sauce, a little breadcrumb, onion, and then some cheddar cheese. And then I also had some leftover jumbo shrimp with cocktail sauce from a couple days ago, and as you know, shrimp does not have a long shelf life, so Matt's gonna have the rest of the jumbo shrimp with the cocktail sauce, and I'm actually gonna have some of the leftover pasta bake with a little bit of potatoes, a couple of the mini meatloaves. I'm actually gonna have a little bit less potatoes than Matt since I have the pasta, but yeah, great way to use up a couple leftovers. This is our dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so I'm getting dinner started. I have some of the Panera Bread at home broccoli cheddar soup that I got from Price Chopper, so I'm heating up one of those containers because we're gonna do like a soup and sandwich night. We've been loving like hot sandwiches lately. If you've been watching my What's for Dinner videos, you probably know that because I've been making like Philly cheesesteaks and sausage and pepper sandwiches. But anyways, I'm gonna do the Panera broccoli cheddar soup, and then I am pan toasting up a cheddar cheese bagel. So this is either mine or Matt's, and then the other one will go on after this. So I'm gonna get the inside part a little bit crisp, and then I'm gonna top it with a little bit of cheese and some buffalo chicken, and I think I'm gonna use like a really good condiment to make it kind of over the top flavor wise, and then I'm gonna pan fry it up so it's kind of grilled and toasty and melty, and then have a bowl of soup. It's gonna be really good. So I'll show you what these look like when I put them together. Alright guys, so the sandwiches came out looking delicious. That hot pepper bacon jam is going to be just perfect in there. So this is what we're having, same exact thing, and a nice bowl of the Panera at home soup. It's going to be super yummy, and the cheese on the bottom is all melty as well. Can't wait to dig in, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight I did some chili cheese dogs. I used beef hot dogs and then some chili that I had frozen in a small batch purposely for this. So I just put the hot dog down with the chili and the cheddar cheese. I melted it, and these are on the brioche hot dog rolls that I got, I believe, at Aldi. And then I did some potato wedges in the oven, just sprayed a little cooking spray and baked them. I turned them halfway. And then we're also going to have some small little side salads that I just added some olives, cucumber, tomato, and sugar snap peas to with ranch. Super easy dinner tonight, and we will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight I did some of the Trader Joe's walnut shrimp, which is one of my favorites, and then I did the Innovations sticky rice here. So this is how the shrimp came out with the walnuts, the walnut and the sauce. And then I also did some Trader Joe's edamame. It's already salted, it comes that way, and I just microwaved it and it comes out perfect every time. These are just a few extra potato wedges left for my son's dinner, but this is our dinner tonight. Really quick and easy. Trader Joe's came through, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Alright guys, so these last two dinners I'm going to share with you are right here. So first off, I made breakfast for dinner one night. Justin was over, so he requested it, and we all wanted it anyway. So I made some cinnamon raisin French toast, some breakfast sausage, and some home fries. It actually came out really good. By the way, this particular video was filmed over the course of almost 2 weeks. Sometimes I do these videos over the span of 1 week, and sometimes I stretch them out over 2 weeks. It really just depends how crazy everything is. So this dinner came out really, really good. As always, I love French toast, home fries, and sausage, so it was really, really good. Next up, I made a homemade meat sauce, very basic. I had some frozen marinara in my freezer that I thawed out and mixed with the meat, some mixed veggies, and fresh Italian bread. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's What's for Dinner. I have an entire playlist of these videos down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.